When tackling furring strips during a remodel, selecting the right tool is crucial for precision and efficiency. Several options are available, each with its own advantages. Firstly, consider an oscillating multi-tool. This tool is ideal for precisely cutting through furring strips. It uses a vibrating blade that easily cuts through wood and other materials. When using an oscillating tool, choose a blade specifically designed for wood cutting. Secondly, a reciprocating saw can be used with a wood-cutting blade to cut through furring strips. A reciprocating saw offers a wider range of motion than an oscillating tool. To ensure a clean cut, make sure the blade is sharp to minimize splintering. Thirdly, a hacksaw is a manual option that can be used to cut through furring strips. For a cleaner cut, choose a hacksaw with a fine-toothed blade. When using a hacksaw, employ a saw guide or jig to ensure straight cuts. A flush cut saw is a specialized tool designed for flush cutting. It uses a thin, rotating blade that can be positioned flush against the furring strip. This provides a smooth, clean cut with minimal effort. Regardless of the tool you choose, safety should always be a priority. Wear proper safety gear, including safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from debris and potential injury. Before making any cuts, measure and mark the location of the cut on the furring strip. This ensures accuracy and minimizes errors. To maintain precision and prevent the saw from binding, use a saw guide or jig. This is particularly helpful when using a hacksaw or reciprocating saw. Cut slowly and carefully to avoid splintering or damaging the surrounding materials. Rushing the cut can lead to uneven edges and potential damage. After cutting, clean up any sawdust or debris to prevent clogging or damage to your tools. A clean work area also reduces the risk of accidents. In summary, selecting the right tool and following these tips will help you efficiently and safely cut furring strips during your remodeling project.